I can guarantee you this is not Hobby Lobby knockoff crap from China. That's the good old days. Remember this guy? Dino the dinosaur.
Hey, Mama. Huh? Down the way.
What's your name?
Hold on. No.
This guy had just locked up. And he says he's waiting for a ride, so he went and got the key and opened it so I could look inside. I thought it was a store, but it's not. It's just where you come in and say, hey, I need something fixed. And boy, they got everything in here. It's unreal. I got something going on.
It's Robert Parker.
Hey, Robert. I'm sorry, but I'm taking your video. I hope you don't mind. This guy, Robert Parker, is a real good guy. He'd locked up, and he says, oh, I'll open up so you can go in and look. And not many people are going to do that for you. Like nobody.
He got a pretty cool man cave at his house.
I can imagine. This is the man cave. Shit.
His house, he got a small little house, but his man cave was probably about the size. It's a nice size man cave.
Whoa. Is he old guy, or is this?
It's 59, I believe, 58, 59.
Has he got sons that'll take his place?
Yeah, he got 2 sons.
Dependable pioneer hybrids. I never seen that before. Wow. Sinclair. That's the name of the oil company. Man, that's gonna have me nuts. Wow. You ever get out of this area much?
Well, the farthest I've been up north was New Jersey, Staten Island.
I'm talking, I live down in Savannah, Hinesville, Fort Stewart.
Yeah, I used to clean out foreclosed homes in that area.
Yeah.
Yep.
If you ever down that way, down there again, this is further down in a place called Waycross. There's a junkyard down there. It's Brewers, and it's huge, and it's got just filled with stuff from the 40s, 50s, 60s, and they got what they call their museum. And you go in there, last time I was there, it's been a while, they had about 20 cars in there that were all restored, and he's got I was a little kid, my mother used to get them. When you went to the grocery store, like for every buck you bought, they'd give you one stamp, and one stamp was worth like 1/10 of a penny.
I'm Northwest.
Wow. Shit. Orange Crush. It's getting dark. Ha! An Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. Unbelievable. Philco. She's heading to Woodstock. There's so much more here to see. So if you're ever down this way, think about it. It's not far from the Georgia Guidestones. If you've never heard of them, look them up.